Alright traders, hope you guys are doing well this morning. You know what I'm looking at. We got a minute till the market opens on up. I got a little position in SLDB. This one came out with bad news. You guys know I love buying the bad news. Love buying the scary stuff. This thing's down from $22 to $6. Now USAT came out with bad news this morning as well. I missed this one. Popped up on the negative intensity scanner at around 313. Didn't pick it up because I allowed the news to really bias my decision on it. Because the news said that they've came out with fraudulent financial results for like the last year. In fact, the audit firm actually resigned as well. So I just was like, oh, I don't know if I want to be a part of this. SLDB, this one's about to open on up here. All right, traders, I'm just locking that in. Only had 100 shares. Maybe about 30 cents on that one right there. Can some of you guys please call this number and tell them to stop calling me? Seriously. I don't want your health insurance, all right? Absolutely drive me crazy. We had USAT and SLDB on that major sell-off. Had to scoop some shares up, baby. CRON's getting that pop off the 13 EMA, getting back above this trend line we had drawn from pre-market. Great work there on anyone who scooped that up. PULM came out with news while we were doing the live stream this morning. They received IND approval for Pulmazole Phase 2 clinical study. A lot of companies do this, guys. They'll come out with a reverse split, and then a day or so later, they'll come out with the news. Some good news that they already had prepared. That way, you know, the float's lower. There's more demand for the shares out there. They have good news now, and the stock can get pumped up a lot easier. There were two really good opportunities this morning, guys. That was USAT and SLDB. We were all over both of them. Really proud of you guys. Also, there's one thing to note, you know, a lot of the chat rooms out there, they really only are pumping up stocks that come out with PRs in the morning. They don't talk about these stocks that are gapping down, very oversold. There's some good opportunities out there. You know, even when there's not PRs, even when these little penny stocks like HYRE, ATOS, BIOC aren't necessarily pumping, there's still other great opportunities out there that are popping up and presenting themselves on the scanners. This is one of the best trades of the day, honestly. SLDB sent at 670 right now. Now, guys, I don't want any of you commenting on this video and telling me I should be holding right now. I don't need to hear that. I already know it. All right? I don't need to hear it. Just going to throw that out there. But, guys, I think that's going to do it. I need to get to a house. I'm going to do some real estate photography here in a few minutes. We're approaching 10, so I'm keeping my eye on a few stocks, see if anything's going to move. But I think that's going to be my only trade today, guys. Please let me know in the comment section how you did. I know in the penny stock world, not a whole lot going on there with our leading gappers. But traders, I really think the most important thing for us in this trading game is not necessarily understanding the technicals, but I really think the most important thing is understanding ourselves, getting rid of all ego, learning how to manage our trades, manage our emotions. Those are the most important things to learn. If you're ever a prideful person, well, you're not going to be for long getting into the market. It will certainly humble you. You might get back to being prideful after you're highly successful at it. But guys, we got to humble ourselves in these market conditions. Traders, let me know how you did. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you all tomorrow morning.